Yo, Jano, me there I listen to some music quick and fast. I just heard over me. Guess what I heard over me there now? You know black people, yeah? Who don't like that they're black. They always, yeah, my cousin, grandfather, dad, sister, the next side is Chinese. Like, yo, you're black. Give a shit. You understand what I'm saying? You still have to talk about the black part, my brother. You understand? It looks so bait when man black and I go on like say them blue or brown or pink or whatever. I don't care if you mix with half Chinese, half French, half brown, half white, whatever it is. You understand, Bridget? You're black, you're raw black. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? Yo, you could be Indian and you're black. Blood cleat. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? So what about bigging up the black side of what build you up? Everybody, you know what I mean, they big up everything else except the black side of their family, you know what I mean? Enough people from yard, enough people from Jamaica and them thing there. You see them with like a curly hair around them head, them, oh, you know that Mr. Chin was my grandfather, father. Man, move and go. You understand? Move and go, we don't want to hear that. You understand? What about the black part? What about them around them will fight for us? Lose their life for us, you know what I mean? We have to remember, we ancestors them, you know what I mean? Them fight for we. You understand? And everybody should be happy with the black that's in them. If you understand what I mean. Because the black that's in you, they fight for you. You understand? They never give up for you. You understand what I mean? They fight for you. You understand? So you have to appreciate that as much as the rest of what is in you as well. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying not to appreciate the other side if you are part of the one culture, part of the next. But I say warm to the black side, Bridget. You understand? Everybody, yeah, it's a good day, but it's not a good night. What one? You understand? Why does the world see him the dark skin as something bad? Why are we a threat? Why were we captured? Why were we stolen? All these questions, they still not haven't really been answered, you know. You understand? Because we still are trying to make sense out of it. So big up to black. You understand what I'm saying? This one is big enough black. You know why? You understand what I'm saying? Even when you look at the word B-L-A-C-K, yeah? You knock off the B and it's L-A-C-K. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? So you don't know where Abyssinians, Ethiopians, you understand what I'm saying? That's really our true origin. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? We're Abyssinians, original man, original human on the ground. If you understand what I'm saying, yeah? So, even the tree, you see the tree grew up, but the roots is in the dark underneath the soil, and that's what keep the tree him standing firm. That's above and in the light is the roots that's in the dark. If you understand what I'm saying. So enough time people pick the fruit from the tree, love sitting underneath the tree, but they forget the root that keep the tree up in the darkness. It don't show itself so much, but it's so much more important than everything else that grow from it above. You understand what I'm saying? So this one is just a shout out to black, and anybody who is mixed with black and you never see a black father, you never see a black mother or whatever, be proud of your stuff. You understand what I mean? Do your research, you know what I mean? And then maybe you want to find that dad. Maybe you want to find that mom. If you understand what I mean, do your research. You understand? And you will be proud of some of the things that you find. If you understand what I'm saying, yeah? It's not all gloom. You understand? My history did not begin with slavery. You understand what I mean? We history begin as kings. We are stolen king, thieved away. All of the people out in Caribbean, shout out. All of our family, all the people in South America, and then place the Guatemala, right up there, so Suriname, all of our family. You understand? We're the Bush Negroes. You understand? Big up the people in Haiti where I go through the tribulation, and really it's just the most forgotten country in the world, you know what I mean? And it's because some of the greatest kings and queens that was stolen, they put them in Haiti. That's why they live this lifestyle, you know what I mean? They never want them to ever regain that kingship ever again. Remember, if something was stolen, it got value. You understand what I'm saying? Black is raw gold. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? Because when they was taking gold, iris, silk, everything out there, you know what I mean? The most important thing that they took, you understand, was the mind of the king, or the king think. You understand what I mean? They had to steal the old kings, you understand, to understand how to be a king. You understand? So now just big up on yourself, my people, you understand? And you understand, right now, because we find back ourselves, we can't even class ourselves in a way how them class we anyway. And by the word B-L-A-C-K. Because we have to start using African words. Like Abyssinian. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? You know, like Ethiopians, you understand what I'm saying, yeah? You know what I mean? Them the kind of thing that like Nubians, you understand what I'm saying? Like, you understand? We have to use our African words to describe who we are. Because there's so much different culture of black. You understand what I'm saying? So it just goes to show. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? And people make it seem like the darkness is the minority, and the darkness cannot be the minority. Because what's black? state of the universe. The state of the universe is black. It's not me that say it. If you understand what I'm saying. The state of the universe is black. And people big up on their own self. You understand? Everybody out there, you know what I mean? No matter where you come from. You understand? If you come from England, China, wherever you want to come from, as long as you're a black man, you don't know you're Abyssinian Africans. You understand? Ethiopianites. You understand what I'm saying? And people must be proud of that. I see loads of people who come from Chinese culture, you know what I mean? And they straighten out all their hair. And they bleach their skin, and I'm thinking, wrong. You look light already. Why do you even need to bleach your skin? But because some descendants, 3,000 years down the line, they have some black ancestry, they're not proud of it. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? And it's a shame that they're not proud of it, because at the end of the day, why is people proud of every other frigging thing? You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, my people, you see me? Whatever you think, just put that, you know what I mean? Put in a comment or whatever. You understand about the people that you meet, and they might big up everything that's in their bloodline, and they're from their blackness, brethren. You understand what I mean? Their beauty. You understand? And I'm just saying blackness for the sake of this, because I don't even believe in that word, because that's an English word given to us by English people who stole us. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? We're Abyssinians, you understand what I'm saying, yeah? You know, real original man, you know what I mean? No boy can class us that come after us. You understand what I mean? They cannot do that. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not in their category, you understand? That's why I say me's a Rasta. So man, are you vegan? Are you meat eater? No, me's a R-A-S-T-A. That's it, me's just a Rasta. Go research what it is. You know what I mean? Or go try and find it spiritually or whatever. You understand what I'm saying? You know, so big up to the people and big up to the roots of dancehall, reggae and them thing because you don't know say black are the roots of them thing there, you understand? And sometimes my people, yeah, don't watch nothing, you understand? Because the roots never complain with the fruits. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? And everybody who's complaining about this or that, you have to know, so we set the trend. So anytime we set that trend and everybody follow, I just saw the thing set. Nothing wrong with that, virgin. It's better than them stealing us or coming to wipe us out or whatever. You understand what I mean, yeah? So big up on the rascal self and you don't know the thing set. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? You understand? Right now, big up on yourself all out there, the melanated people about the world, and I'm proud on yourself. Whether to the extreme light or extreme dark, proud on the little African heritage, you understand? Cause, you understand? Melanin is not only about skin, but if your hair is black, it's still melanin, like what is in my black skin. You understand? So Mr. Chin and Mr. Chang, them and I go and like say, boy, they want to treat we different. It's melanin why your hair is black. So, I just rest my thing. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? I can't say nothing more. Without the same thing that run in my vein, there will be no black hair, no mixture of nothing. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? So, you see how the thing set, my people. And that's the thing there. Big up on the real self. You see me, because you don't know me, I listen to some berry man. And something just come from me, and I say, yo, big up all of the black people, them, you understand what feel good in them skin. No say, especially the people them who come from West Indies. No say, we're king. You understand? Definitely, we are kings. You know what I mean? They steal us from places like Ghana and Senegal and the whole of the West Coast, Central Africa. Them rip out the whole place, mash up the whole place, and then steal it. You understand? Me no vex, because I'm a survivor. You understand what I mean? And king again. You understand? Once a king, twice a king, always a king. You understand? Out, my people, big up on the thing. Up. Selassie live. Selassie never die. Selassie always try to help I and I. Out, over. Empress men and I. Big up the empress them. Big up the emperor them. Be proud on the thing. Be proud on the roots and culture wherever you come from. And any culture where you come from, no matter where you come from, if you dig deep enough, you're going to find black. Selassie. Out, over.